In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new AI tool that can create full animated videos with talking characters from just a simple prompt. It's called AniJam AI. Let's test it together. After you sign up, you'll land on this page where you can find a bunch of ready-made templates you can use. I'll show you a few examples so you can see what's possible.
First, turn on the water and get your hands wet. Then, pump some soap onto your palm.
And if you don't want to use a template, you can always start a new project from scratch and build everything yourself. On the left side, you'll find tools like the AI image and video generator, lip sync, motion control, and many more. On the right side, you'll find the prompt bar where you can write your story or describe the scene you want to create. Instantly, it starts building everything for you. Your character, your scenes, your animation. It even adds lip sync automatically.
Don't worry, little guy. I'll help you find your home.
Now let me show you one of these AI tools, the AI image generator. You can upload your own image if you want, or you can start from scratch. You can also choose a style from here. There are multiple options like portraits, 3D, illustrations, and more. For this example, let's go with this style. Then just describe what you want to create and click Generate. AniJam generated 4 characters. This is really cool. I used one in the AI video tool. Here's the result. I also tried lip sync. Here's the result.
Don't worry, little guy, I'll help you find your home.
Let's replace the voice for this character. Tap Replace. The face is selected automatically. I'll pick a voice. Let's try this one. Then enter your character's dialogue and click Generate Audio.
Don't worry, little guy. I'll help you find you home.
If you're happy with it, click Apply.
Don't worry, little guy. I'll help you find you home.
This is amazing. That's it for this tutorial. Check the link in the description below to try AniJam for free.